Hi, welcome to Kads Review. Today we're reviewing a box from Coffee and a Classic, and I was sent this for review. And this is the standard classic subscription. It's $39.99 a month, and it comes in this nice photo box. It comes with a classic book. It comes with either coffee, tea, or hot chocolate, a snack, a mug, and some other book items. The starter classic subscription is $28.99 a month, and it comes in a starter book box. It includes a classic book, coffee, tea, or hot chocolate, and some other book items. All right, let's check out and see what's in the box. So this is the nice photo box that they sent. So it's nice little storage. Okay. So this is the August box. I'm not going to look and see what the information is. I'll go over all the information afterwards. I don't want to ruin what the book is. So this is the Annie's Organic Bunny Graham Snacks. And this is Honey and Oats Rip Van Waffles. Those are your two snacks that you get. Start from this side. And this little note goes in there, I guess. Oh, that's beautiful. And it says honey on it, and it looks like it was hand painted. So we hope you enjoy your hand painted mug. As we painted your mug to order, we recommend waiting 1 to 2 weeks before you wash it to ensure the paint has had time to cure. So this was actually hand painted by Coffee and a Classic. So that's really beautiful. And next, that's interesting. 100 acre wood colored pencils, and it's a set of 10. That is really cool how they did that. It's like little logs. Really cool. So they give you all these different hints as to what the book would be. And let's see what else we have here. Oh, that's really nice. And it's a nice little photo of Winnie the Pooh. Very cute. And next we have, let's see, this is Zen Bear Honey Tea. Oh, that's really nice. So that's your drink that you get, the tea. And next, oh, something else. Oh, cute. So you're kind of getting some hints, and these are some bookmarks that they also included. A day without a friend is like a pot without a single drop of honey left inside. And this one is left behind, why that's a horrendous thing to do to a guy. The things that make me different are the things that make me me. And a little consideration, a little thought for others makes all the difference. So those are really cute. So these are your bookmarks you get. And I believe the next thing is the book. So let's check it out. And we kind of have an idea of what it might be. Oh, that's a nice book. That's from A.A. Milne, and it's Winnie the Pooh. Really nice book. So there you have it. And what a nice box. It comes with a lot of different things to lead up to the what the book is. So I have the product card here. I didn't want to do it before because I didn't want you to figure out what the book was. So we have the book is by A.A. Milne. We have the tea, which is honey tea from Zen Bear, made with pure raw Maine honey. And we also have the honey and oat snacks from Waffle and Honey. And then Bunny Graham Snacks. And we have the mug, which is hand painted by Coffee and a Classic. The twig colored pencil set from Woodluck. And we have, and this is what this is, a vintage illustration box sign. And it was handmade by Coffee and a Classic. And the bookmark set is also by Coffee and a Classic, and you can also color these too. So what a great box. So we have the book, and we have the vintage photo. We have the really beautifully hand painted mug, the tea, the nice set of handmade pencils, your 2 snacks, the graham crackers and the waffles, and we have the bookmarks. So if you like the subscription and you like the video, please like and subscribe down below, and we'll see you next time. Bye.